Good morning! Ito po yung lunch natin today. Tatlong sunny side up egg and avocado. Meron pa tayong sinabawang fish sa kamatis and syempre asin and malunggay. Yan. Sarap po yan. Yan po ang ating fuel for today. Yeah. Protein and omega-3, vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber. Avocado natin. Yeah. Be healthy, stay low carb. Kain po. Thank you for watching. Ingat po lagi. Bye. Yan. Sarap yan. Sunny side up.